Hello, welcome back to my KDP low content channel, where I am going to give you my top 1 KDP niche for Q4, and that is the September, October, and November, and is dominated by one main event, which I will tell you about in a moment. So, if you are already publishing books on Amazon by the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niche are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Rumaroy and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So, uh, let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace, and our today's niche is pumpkin coloring book. Pumpkin coloring book. Here there is a 30,000 results of pumpkin coloring book. So huge amount of product already published on Amazon KDP. So from this book we can find out a small niche. So first of all, we check that happy pumpkin coloring book of joy. We check out this, how many book already published this type niche, and here the results only shows 147 happy pumpkin coloring book of joy. So obviously we can find out a micro niche from a big niche. So 30,000 results, that is a huge amount of product, and here we can see 147 results only happy pumpkin coloring book of joy. So obviously this is a micro niche and a profitable niche, so you can easily earn more revenue from this book. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into for Q4. And as I say, if you make good quality cover, good quality manuscript, and choose right keywords correctly, so you are able to rank for sub niche within this main niche. Okay, so if you have uh, so we can check out the happy pumpkin coloring book of trademark and copyright. So there, wow, there is no TS records from this book. So there is a fully safe book, so you can easily work this book and publish on Amazon KDP. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon when I can share new videos, new ideas, new niche. Then you can notify and watching my video. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much.